Okay, what is good, guys? It's just going to be doing a trader recap for the trade I took in PM session yesterday and managed to only make about $500 as my first take profit was here. And then I got stopped out just at this protected low, unfortunately, before price ran up and smacked my TP. I'll put the executions up here quickly and we'll get straight into it. So, starting on the daily, clearly in this little V shape, we are in a buy model, and it will drop down to the lower time frame, and you can clearly see we are in a buy model, and we are going to complete it by the looks of it. So with that in mind, well, the trade was around here. With that in mind, hopping down to the 1 hour, we've just been going up heaps now. But yeah, at market open yesterday, just immediately came down, ripped into this hourly for value gap, and then immediately saw a reaction off of it. So yeah, it was pretty bullish after that. And then we had been coming up after AM session and continuing higher while also rebalancing into 5-minute gaps along the way. So coming into this trade, I have to use ES as a little example. So on the 15, well, actually I'll hop on the 1-minute chart first. So at 2 p.m. open, price just instantly ripped up, didn't really get a proper accumulation range. We started to reaccumulate here, which was what I really like to see. And then we came down and ES actually tapped into their 15-minute gap by quite a lot. We had, sorry for making, but yeah, as you can see, this fat wick down and an instant rejection off of it. So with that in mind, I was like, yeah, we're now going to distribute towards the upside. And I was going to wait for AS to tap into this 5, but I added half of my contracts after we got another change in state of delivery to the upside, but probably should have waited until we broke this level because I could have easily got stopped out here. But I was very confident in this setup, so that is why I did add to my position. And yeah, as you can see, clean trade. Did get stuck in some chop over here though, but overall not complaining. Ended up only taking home like 1.5 R because I wanted to go to sleep because it was 6 a.m. So yeah, I hope you'll call that trade if you did trade PM session yesterday, but hope you have a good trading day tonight, well, this morning if you're in the US. I'm in Australia, and I'll see you guys later.